How to exonerate innocent drivers with Samsara. Your driver is blamed for an incident on the road and says, "It wasn't my fault." Without concrete evidence to defend your drivers, fleets spend millions of dollars each year paying insurance claims and fighting long legal battles. Luckily, Samsara's internet-connected sensors and HD dash cams capture the full story of what's happening on the road and in the cab. Driver exoneration is part of Samsara's complete platform for fleet safety, efficiency, and compliance. Samsara automatically detects harsh driving events and uploads data to your safety inbox. You can see at a glance when an incident happened, who was driving, and other key details. Samsara streamlines your workflow by making it easy to flag events that need further review. And you can instantly access high-definition dashcam footage to get more context. You can quickly confirm whether or not your driver was at fault. You can share video evidence with insurance and police to exonerate innocent drivers and avoid paying insurance claims for accidents you aren't responsible for. Samsara combines HD video, advanced analytics, and sensor data in one integrated platform that provides the evidence you need to protect your drivers. Sign up for your free trial today to see how Samsara can help you save money and protect your company's reputation.